Hello, every business innovators. This is Sourcingyuan. Are you worried about the following issues with your business, like those bad comments? So, you got a brilliant product idea. You have done your market research and you're ready to bring it to life. The next step, sourcing it from manufacturer or often overseas, that's a big problem. Because this is where the dream can quickly turn into a costly nightmare. Many have tried to navigate this complex process alone, only to learn expensive lessons the hard way. Today, I'm sharing a guide to avoiding these pitfalls, and more importantly, showing you how our partnership acts as your business insurance. Someone paid a 30% deposit, which is $5,000 to start production. The supplier was responsible at first, then radio silence, emails bounced, phones were disconnected. He lost his entire deposit before a single product was ever made. No verified, no trustworthy supplier. And B, she received her first shipment and was happy until she opened the boxes. The product color was wrong, the material felt cheap, and 40% of the units had defects. She couldn't sell them. Her $15,000 investment was now sitting in a warehouse as a total loss. No quality control during production. And C, he successfully got his product made, but he was at the mercy of a logistics agent he found online. The shipping quote tripled at the last minute. The containers were delayed for months, missing the entire holiday season. He lost not just $1,000 in unexpected costs, but also crucial market opportunity. No reliable and transparent logistics management. That's how it happened. Stories like these are why we exist. At Sourcingyuan, we don't just place the order for you. We are your partner in China. We don't just find suppliers. We investigate them. We conduct background check, verify business license, and most importantly, we perform offline factory visits if needed. We have boots on the ground. Our quality control team conducts inspection at critical stages, during initial production runs, pre-shipment, and during loading. We check for materials, function, and packaging against your sample. We catch problems before they are in a container heading your way. We have long-term relationship with trusted freight forwarder and shipping lines. This means we secure competitive, fixed rates and manage the entire process for you, from customer documentation to tracking the shipment right to your door. No surprise, no hidden fees. When you partner with us, you are not just paying for a service. You are investing in peace of mind. You're freeing up your most valuable resources, your time, your capital, and your energy. And that's also, instead of spending thousands of learning these hard lessons, you can reinvest that money into what truly matters, growing your business. And think of us as your entrepreneurship insurance. We protect your investment, ensure your product vision becomes a reality, and help you build a sustainable, profitable business.